Ditch the mitt. 8 DIY tanning hacks you need to know. Tired of shelling out cash for tanning mitts? Or maybe you're in a pinch and yours is MIA? Don't worry, sun-kissed skin is still within reach. We're diving into 8 genius DIY alternatives that will leave you glowing without breaking the bank. Yes, you read that right. A clean, soft sock can be your new best friend. Turn it inside out for a smoother application and say goodbye to streaks. Simply slip your hand inside, apply your tanning lotion or mousse to the sock, and blend away. The fabric absorbs excess product, preventing those dreaded orange palms. Another household staple ready to step up its game. Dampen a soft washcloth slightly for even better blending. The texture helps distribute the tanner smoothly across your skin. Just remember to wash it thoroughly after each use to avoid staining. Got some latex gloves lying around? Perfect! They offer a barrier to protect your hands, but need a little help. Cover the glove with a thin layer of cotton wool or a piece of soft fabric secured with a rubber band. This creates a buffer for a streak-free finish. Those makeup blending sponges aren't just for foundation. Their porous texture is ideal for applying self-tanner to smaller areas like your face, hands, and feet. Dampen the sponge slightly for a smoother application and avoid using too much product. This method is great for achieving a natural-looking tan. Desperate times call for creative measures. Fold a few sheets of kitchen roll into a thick pad. Apply your tanning product directly to the pad and blend quickly. Be careful not to press too hard, as the paper can tear. Reaching your back can be a challenge, even with a mitt. Grab a wooden spoon or spatula and attach a soft cloth or sponge to the end with a rubber band. This DIY back applicator will help you achieve an even tan all over. Just be sure to clean it thoroughly after each use. That old exfoliating glove you're not using anymore. Give it a new life. The texture is perfect for blending self-tanner. Just make sure it's clean and dry before using it. This is a great way to get a smooth, even tan while also gently exfoliating your skin. Okay, hear us out. You can use your bare hands, but only if you're super careful and wash them immediately and thoroughly after each section. Apply a small amount of tanner at a time and blend quickly. Use a damp cloth to wipe your palms and in between your fingers to avoid orange hands. This is the riskiest method, so proceed with caution. So there you have it. 8 amazing tanning mitt alternatives that you can find right in your home. No more excuses for pale skin. Now it's your turn to shine. Try out these hacks, find your favorite, and share your results in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more budget-friendly beauty tips and tricks. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow DIY lovers. Let's get glowing together.